Good afternoon, everyone. My dear legendary students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Javed, Vinod, Soumya, Supriya, Deepika, Pawan. Heartily welcome from next session, second class. Already morning 7:40 completed. So don't bother about the Muslim community students. So actually my time up 7 I take, but for the Ramadan festival, this fasting is there. That's why tomorrow onwards you should take 7:40 to 8:20. You should take it as okay. So morning session immunology already started today. Now we should start the one more paper also there. That is structural biology paper also there. We'll start.
ऑफ करेगा
మేడం సునీత మేడం మాట్లాడతారేమన్నా ఓకే ఇమ్రాన్
yes sir
yourself ma
Ruhin Begum sir
okay so now I would like to start the paper that is you know very well. So the structural biology paper 1 is there, SB paper. So that is SB means what ma? Structural biology. This is the paper 1, structural biology. So what is structural biology actually? You know very well. So the fundamental knowledge you know very well. Okay, any living organism, how to start? Come on, tell me. How to start off a living organism? Come on, tell me. So you know very well the particular. For example, on environment on Earth, for the first time. Okay, the one organism should be originated. What is that called? Cyanobacteria. What is that one? Cyanobacteria should be originated on Earth. Any living organism, how to start off a living organism? Come on. Okay, so particularly the particular living organism should start a particular what happened now? Biomolecules. What is biomolecules are? This is what very important. Without a biomolecules, there is no formation. There is no formation of any organism. I would like to explain. So now the structural biology. So the basic concept of biomolecules. The structural biology. Unit 1 topic is there. This is a very, very important, very easy, the fundamental knowledge topic. Remembering one thing. So any living organism first required what? What are the elements they required? Okay, very important. Mainly, you know very well, the biomolecules should start. For example, you know very well. First of all, the carbon required, hydrogen required, oxygen required, nitrogen required, phosphorus, etc. So the basic how to form of a molecule, how to form of a biomolecule. See, very important. The fundamental, a living organism should start how? A fundamental living organism should start how to start a life of our life, Okay, so that the required number one carbon the required. Okay, hydrogen required, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus and sulfur. These are all the okay macro elements. Whatever these are the main important elements. Of course, remaining elements also, which is responsible for the living as a life for the required. But the structurally the body should be required. The structurally organism should be formed. How to form? Come on, tell me. Mainly they require what elements? Ma? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. The combination of these elements, what happened? Ma? One biomolecules are formed. What ma? Biomolecules are formed. So, in very, very important, any living organism, first of all, so come on, tell me, this combination of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, mainly, what are the so the biomolecules are they formed. What are the biomolecules? Number one, carbohydrates are formed. Carbohydrates are formed. How to form of carbohydrates? Come on, tell me. For example, you must be take one sugar, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. For example, you take glucose structure. Okay, C6H12O6. Okay, C6H12O6, right? The C6H12 is one of the structural carbohydrate. It is one of the biomolecule. It is one of the biomolecules there. This is very important. So these carbohydrate biomolecules should be formed how? What are the elements are there? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is there. This is one of the organic compounds. Next to one more biomolecule is there. That is protein. Padma, protein is one of the biomolecules. Protein is one of the biomolecules. So, this protein, which is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur also. This protein should be formed. This protein should be formed with help of the protein is the structurally functionally unit of a protein. Remember one thing. What ma? Come on, tell me. Structurally and functionally unit of a protein. Unit of a protein. What happened, ma? See, Soumya, mute yourself, ma. Soumya, mute చేసుకోవాలి క్లాస్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. This is your fundamental discipline, right? Okay, because of here disturbance will be very expensive. Come on, tell me the protein. How should we form a protein? Come on, tell me. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Right. So protein. How to form a protein? The structurally functional unit of a protein is known as amino acids. Padma, amino acids. So that's why amino acid is one of the biomolecule. Amino acid is one of the biomolecule. To be two amino acids are to bind with help of the peptide bond to be formed. What proteins are formed? Okay, so that is protein is one of the biomolecule, the required constituent, and amino acids also one of the biomolecule. You know very well. Next one. Okay, next. What is come on, tell me? Next one, lipids are the how to form of lipids, right? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus. So not phosphorus, sorry. Sulfur, not nitrogen. Not nitrogen. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur is there. So that is lipids are there. Okay. So carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, and lipids. Okay. So these are very important. And next one, what ma? Next one. Okay. So next biomolecule, that is nucleic acids. First carbohydrates are formed. First carbohydrates are formed. Next proteins are formed. Next amino acids. First carbohydrates, amino acids are formed. Next proteins are formed. Then lipids are formed. Okay. Then after what happened now? Nucleic acids are formed. What is nucleic acids? Come and tell me. What are the nucleic acids are there? Come and tell me. Anyone? Javin, Soumya, Deepika, Imran. I think you already studied degree level, graduation level. Okay. So what is that amino acids? Nucleic acids. Come and tell me. Nucleic acids. Come on, tell me. So the amino acids are DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA. Right. DNA means what, ma? DNA means what?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Nucleic acid. Okay. RNA means what, beta?
Ribonucleic acid.
Acid. Okay. Right. Come on, tell me. So here, how to form of DNA? How to form of RNA? Simply, what is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA which contains, we'll explain later in detail, our topic is there. DNA is one structural molecule. How to form of DNA? DNA which contains so many nucleotides possible. But ma, nucleotides are there. DNA and RNA which contains what, ma? Nucleotides are there. What, ma? Nucleotides are there. These how to form of nucleotides? Come on, tell me. How to form of nucleotides, right? Any idea? Nucleotides are formed. So what happened, ma? So phosphorus, nitrogen bases plus sugar. Phosphorus, nitrogen bases plus sugar should be formed. What, ma? DNA and RNA, whatever. Phosphorus already told you. Phosphorus is there. Okay. Nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases nothing but amino acids now. Nitrogen bases purines, pyrimidines are there. Purines and pyrimidines are there. Okay. Purines, adenine, guanine. Okay. Cytosine, thymine. These are the amino acids. These are the amino acids are there. Okay. Nitrogen bases nothing but amino acids. Okay. Plus sugar. How to form of nucleotides? Come and tell me. So here nitrogen bases nothing but amino acids are there. How to form of amino acids? Come and tell me. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Already told you na. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. And what, ma? Phosphorus is there, and sulfur is there. Okay. Finally, DNA should be formed. RNA should be formed. Okay. So the DNA, RNA should be formed from the biomolecules of carbohydrates, that means amino acids, okay, and lipids, not lipids, okay. So to be formed, what? To be formed, so what? DNA, RNA. If the DNA, RNA should be formed, what? Nucleus should be formed. Okay. So what happened, ma? If DNA, RNA should be formed, what happened, ma? From this, what one? Nucleus should be formed. Nucleus should be formed. If the nucleus, nuclear membrane should be formed. We'll explain. See what happened, ma? So DNA plus RNA should be formed, right? RNA should be formed. Then nuclear membrane should be formed. Nucleus should be formed. From the nucleus to what happened, ma? From the nuclear membrane to form cell membrane should be formed. Cell membrane should be formed. From the nuclear membrane, cell membrane, what happened, ma? Endoplasmic reticulum should be formed. Endoplasmic reticulum. From endoplasmic reticulum, what happened, ma? Golgi complex should be formed. From the Golgi complex to what happened, ma? Lysosomes are formed. And from the nucleus to ribosomes are formed. Okay, then after what happened, ma? Okay, mitochondria are formed. Totally, what, ma? What here formed? One cell is formed. What ma? One cell is formed. Cell is one of the living, the structurally, functionally unit of a living organism. What is that, ma? The cell is what, beta? Come on, tell me. It is a
Structural and functional unit of life.
functionally unit of life. Is that right? Got my concept? Okay, clear? Is it clear, ma? Jabin? How to form a cell? The cell is formed. Okay, cell is a structurally functional unit of life. These cells should be formed by using of by the combination of biomolecules. By the combination of biomolecules. So these biomolecules are very, very essential for the life. If any other biomolecule is not there, water is not there, mother should not have. Okay, now we'll explain, right? The cell. Okay. Now I would like to start. The cell should be formed. DNA should be formed. The DNA which is responsible for the transfer the genetic information from one generation to other generation. One cell is formed. For example, spermatozoa, so sperm cell be formed, ova should be formed. These sperm and ova, what happened now? The sperm and ova to be group of cells to be formed of one now. What happened now? Sperm and ova fusion takes place, fertilization takes place, zygote should be formed. What ma? Zygote. The zygote to develop, what ma? The zygote to develop so many tissues, so many cells. Cells are formed, tissues are formed. Group of cells to be formed, tissue. Group of tissues to be formed, what? Organ. Organ should be formed, organ system. Organ system should be formed, organism. Organism, group of organisms is called what? Population. Group of population is called ecosystem. Right? Ecosystem to be form of like so totally remembering one thing. A life organism should start without required compulsory the macro biomolecules are there. What are the biomolecules are very important? That is carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, amino acids, and nucleic acids are there. Nucleic acids are there. So this is a important fundamental knowledge of very well. So totally a life, that means which contains a chemical biomolecules. The life which contains what ma? A chemical biomolecules are there. Bundles of bundles biomolecules are there. Organic compounds are there. Organic compounds mean the amino acids. Organic compounds mean carbohydrates. Organic compounds mean lipids. The life which contains the bundles of bundles, that means macro biomolecules are there. Without the biomolecules, without the bioelements, there is no formation of life. Is it right or not? Okay, remember, you know very well. For example, human being, a newborn baby should be formed how? From the parents. From the parents. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, how to form of a newborn baby, the cell, life? Formation of a single cell. Total the body designed by, what happened now? The structural designed by biomolecules, like building blocks of the body is called amino acids. The protein building blocks is called amino acids and polysaccharides and lipids. For example, you know very well, okay, total the body muscles are made up of what? Proteins. So the protein, the structurally functional unit of the proteins is called amino acids. Proteins is known as what? Body building blocks. What? Body building blocks. Without a body building blocks, without a proteins, there is no formation of, there is no growth and development. There is no life. Is it right or not? Okay. So compulsory required. Compulsory required. So this is what very important. For example, a single bacterium, a cyanobacterium should take. The cyanobacterium should be formed. What ma? The cyanobacterium should be formed. What ma? Nearly 6,000 organic compounds, 6,000 organic biomolecules required. How much ma? 6,000 organic biomolecules required. What are the organic biomolecules? Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and you know very well, polysaccharides also. That means so, carbohydrates. Okay, these are the important fundamental knowledge. Okay, any other, for example, if one amoeba should be taken, one vertebrate we should take, one amoeba should be formed, one amoeba life should be formed, what man? Nearly 60,000 biomolecules they require. 60,000 biomolecules is required. That is very, very important. Very, very important. So that is a major play role of the biomolecule. Okay, so that is what very important. See, what are the key elements of the mainly life? That is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen,
Oxygen.
plus and sulfur.
Phosphorus.
What are the mainly key biomolecules for the formation of life? What are those, ma? Carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, lipids, and what? Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids means once nucleic acid is to be formed, but the nucleic acid, but the DNA, RNA should be formed. Nucleus should be formed. If the nucleus should be formed, nuclear membrane should be formed. If the nuclear membrane should be formed, plasma membrane should be formed. Plasma membrane should be formed, cytoplasm also to be formed. So totally cell should be formed. Nuclear membrane, plasma membrane should be formed. Then endoplasmic reticulum should be formed. From the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex. From the Golgi complex, okay, lysosomes. Okay. From the nucleus, ribosomes are formed. So likewise, mitochondria. So everything should be formed. Particularly one cell should be formed. Clear? This cell, remembering one thing, once a cell is formed, then the cell to be what happened by a sexual reproduction, whatever it may be, new offsprings are formed. The new offsprings are formed. Group of organisms are formed. So simply, this is the cell is a structurally functional unit of life, or cell is a structurally functional unit of an organism. Yeah. So this is what we. That's why we'll discussing about in detail what are the biomolecules are. Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids and amino acids are there. We'll discussing about in detail. Okay. Achha, tell me now. Let us come to the point. Carbohydrates. What is a carbohydrates? General, I think you already studied. What is carbohydrates? Already told you. The carbohydrates are which is made up of which is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay. Why we can call it carbohydrates? Carbohydrates, that means so these carbohydrates which contains polyhedrons, many water molecules. Right. These carbohydrates general formula CnH2ON. For example, you should take N is equal to 6. N is equal to 6, C6, H2O, N nothing but what happened now? N into 2, 12, and O 6. Total of what should be formed? Glucose should be formed. Right? That is a general formula of CnH2ON. That is a general formula of carbohydrates. Now, so these carbohydrates very important. Which biomolecules are to give the energy to the life, an organism? Without a carbohydrate, there is no life. Is it right or not? Without a carbohydrate, there is no production of energy. Without a carbohydrate, there is no production of ATP energy. What is ATP? What is ATP, ma'am? Hello?
Adenine triphosphate.
Adenosine?
Triphosphate.
Adenosine triphosphate. You know very well.
Triphosphate.
So, this is not very important. Remembering one thing, carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbohydrates are general formula CnH2ON. Okay, carbohydrates are energy products. Carbohydrates are the energy products of the life and organism. Life animals, life organisms. Whatever, not only animal, bacteria, algae, fungi, plantae, animals, whatever it may be, take because that's why the carbohydrate is an energy product for the life. They give the energy, they give the ATP energy by the oxidation. Right? This is one term. Now, let us come to the point. So, 1 carbohydrate, 1 gram of carbohydrate. What? 1 gram of carbohydrate to give the how much energy? 4.2 kilocalories. What? 4.2 kilocalories energy should be given. How much energy? How much energy? 4.2 kilo. 1 carbohydrate to oxidize. 1 carbohydrate to oxidize to give how much energy?
4.2 kilocalories.
Very good. Thank you.
4.2 kilocalories.
4.2 kilocalories energy. Okay, this is what we are doing. Now, let us come to the point. See, these carbohydrates are which contains particular groups are there. Particular groups are there. For example, this carbohydrate which contains what is CHO? The CHO group is there. What is CHO? Aldehydes. Aldehyde carbohydrates are. Aldehyde carbohydrates are. If one carbohydrate which contains CW, which contains
Ketone.
ketone.
Ketone group.
Ketone. I think you already studied the graduation level. Okay, so that's why the carbohydrates are ketone carbohydrates are there, and aldehyde carbohydrates are there. This is what we need. Clear? And these carbohydrates are what happened, ma'am? The carbohydrates are very important thing. These carbohydrates are can be based on the carbohydrate dissolved in the water. Remember one thing. Carbohydrates are combined with the carbohydrates are combined with the bonds is called what, ma'am? Glycosidic bonds. Which one, ma'am? Glycosidic bonds are there. The carbohydrates which are bound with which bonds? Glycosidic bonds. Glycosidic bonds are there, right? This is one very important. Clear? Next one, these carbohydrates are dissolved in the water. Before that, where there is available these carbohydrates? The carbohydrates are which are present in the cereals, milk, non-vegetarian vegetables, okay, table sugar, cane sugar, which contain different type of sugar sources are there for the carbohydrate. So that is what very important. Now let us come to the point. These carbohydrates are dissolved in the water. Based upon the dissolving the water, the carbohydrates are can be divided into 3 types of them. How many types, ma? 3 types are there. Can be divided into how many types? 3 types are there. What are those? Come on, tell me. So number one, monosaccharides. What, ma?
Polysaccharides.
Saccharide.
Okay. Next one, ma? Next one.
Polysaccharides.
Disaccharide.
Disaccharides or oligosaccharides. Next one, ma? Polysaccharides are.
Polysaccharides.
Polysaccharides are. Okay. Third, monosaccharides, di or oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. These are important saccharides. So, what are the monosaccharides are there? What are the monosaccharides are there?
Symbol
The monosaccharides. Monosaccharides example mainly glucose is there. Okay, glucose is there. Next, fructose. Okay. Next, galactose. Okay. Next, ribose. Okay. Next, deoxyribose. Deoxyribose. These are the examples, right? What are the biomolecules? These mono biomolecules. So glucose, fructose, galactose, ribose, and deoxyribose. We'll explain in detail tomorrow. Okay. And what are the disaccharides are there? What are the disaccharides are there? These disaccharides, which are mainly, example, sucrose is there.
Maltose,
Okay. And
maltose,
maltose is there.
lactose,
And lactose is there. These are the examples about the disaccharides. And the polysaccharides, mainly the polysaccharides for the biomolecules. Number one,
starch,
starch is the one of the example. Next, glycogen.
glycogen,
Glycogen is one of the example. What the glycogen?
glycogen,
One,
cellulose,
cellulose. Cellulose is one of the. Okay. And next one,
chitin, chitin,
these are the chitin is insects.
okay,
Chitin is one of the starch is there, that is there in the insects. These are the mainly
okay,
glycogen and cellulose is the one of the life organisms in different and chitin also. These are the examples are there. So for the polysaccharides and the disaccharides, monosaccharides. Once I repeat, the carbohydrates are to bind with the two monosaccharides are bind with in the form of whatever glycosidic bond. What glycosidic bonds. So this is what biomolecules of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates in detail we'll discussing about. Okay, in tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow not day after tomorrow, right? That means Monday onwards, right? See, this is what very important, and inform your friends and regularly should come and you should maintain the running notes. Okay, I would like to check it your running notes also. Thank you very much. Today's session is completed. This is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, signing out. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.